Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick discussion about the question, kailangan bang marunong mag-drive dito sa United States of America? And kailangan ba talagang magkaroon ng driver's license dito sa Amerika? Of course, the answer is yes. Kailangan kang matuto at marunong mag-drive dito sa Amerika because number one, driving is a skill. So, anywhere you go, dapat marunong ka mag-drive going to your school, especially if you're assigned to a province where commute is not possible. I mean, meron namang commute pero mag-aantay ka ng 1 oras, 2 oras. So you really need to know how to drive para din hindi ka hindi ka makapang sa ibang tao. Parang hassle sa mga kasamahan mo dahil hindi ka marunong mag-drive, magpapakuha ka, magpapaantay ka. So, parang mahirap yun. So, you really need to know how to drive. And, especially, may mga emergency, marunong kang mag-drive. And, number 2, of course, kailangan mong magkaroon ng driver's license sa Amerika. Meron tayong driver's license, of course, sa Philippines. So, yun yung ginamit ko pagdating dito. Dahil yung driver's license natin sa Philippines is acceptable for 90 days dito sa Amerika. So, within that 90 days, nagda-drive na ako using that license. So, dumating kami dito April, May, to June, so 3 months ko siyang nagamit. By that time, April, May, June, nag-start na akong mag-review ng exam about driving dito sa state na to. So, print ko siya, no? Nag-print talaga ako. So, for that 3 months, April, May, June, nag-review ako. So, hindi ko naman talaga binasa lahat in one time lang. So, paunti-unti siya. So, every day, like 2 to 3 to 4 pages. So, nakaka-learn ako. So, na-apply ko siya every day. Kasi ang hirap, may mga traffic rules tayo na very different pagdating dito sa US. So, while reading the manual, it's really helpful at nai-enjoy ko talaga siya, na-apply ko siya everyday. Kaya during the test, I passed the written exam and proud to say I have a perfect score. Kasi naman, ang layo-layo ang layo pa ng test, so nag-start na akong magbasa, mag-study, and na-apply ko din siya. So, for 3 months, no, nakakaya ko tong basahin, tsaka nagpa-practice ako sa mga test online. So, yun, during the exam, na-perfect ko siya. So, that's 25 items. Dapat 5 mistakes ka lang, so, na-perfect ko siya. Tapos, meron silang practical driving. So, dahil nagda-drive na ako from April to June, so, hindi ako nahirapan talaga na pagdating sa practical driving, na-learn ko na kung paano mag-stop pag may stop sign lang, hindi traffic light. It's the stop sign. So, kailangan huminto ka talaga. Kasi may 3 lanes sila. Back in the Philippines, we only have 2 lanes, right? For going right, and straight and left. So, 2 lanes lang tayo. Pero sa US, iba talaga yung left lane nila. Special lane yan. So, nalilearn ko na siya. So, during the practical driving exam, so, hindi din ako bumagsak kasi nag-practice na ako. So, right away, pagkapasa ko niyan, binigyan ako ng parang paper na that is good for 1 week while driving. So, parang license ko yun. And after a week, nakuha ko na yung my license, driver's license. And this is really important here kasi this is one of the identification card na hinahanap dito. So, parang 2 lang yung ID dito sa US na hinahanap nila. Yung passport mo at saka yung driver's license mo. Wala na silang ibang ID. I mean, this is their main ID. So, kailangan mo talagang matuto at kumuha ng driver's license. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you have learned something today. Bye!